would say diversity is when you're with a bunch of people and you can just see a little bit of everybody in one area, like all the cultures like mixed together just to fuse like one huge population.
Diversity is, differences, and that could be like a wide range of different things. That could be, race, friend groups.
Diversity is just having a wide range of people, not necessarily race. It could be race, religion.
Well, I'd say diversity is like a bunch of people from like different religions, genders, nationalities, and just like from different places of the world coming together to like form a different, like a community.
Diversity is where a group of people have either different views, different races, different ethnicities, different backgrounds, but they're all in one group and they're all together. So they're one, but they're all different, which contributes to the success of a group.
Diversity to me is the interaction of different types of people from either different nations, just different personalities, and just coming together and working together and like being friends and yeah.
Different people coming into one community, having different thoughts, different skin colors.
I would say that diversity is a mixing of cultures in the same setting.
Diversity is working together with a group of people from maybe separate backgrounds or cultures and just working together as a team.
Diversity is cultures, races, and different point of views mixed all together and joined into one.
Diversity to me means equality of people of different races.
Diversity is simply something that makes you different from other human beings. Whether it be orientation, gender, race, or hair color, or being a Mormon.
Nicely said, Tommy.
Nicely said, Terrell.
There's a lot of diversity in our schools and people, like I've grown up with it a lot and my sports teams I've played on, and I think it gives us a chance to, experience other ways of life kind of, but also, make friends with them. We're all the same basically, so it's a lot of fun.
It affects the way we learn because you have stereotypes and sometimes people think that you might learn a different way when it really doesn't affect us as much as they think it might.
It gets me aware of all the cultures and it gets me more educated, I guess, and I'm happier.
It's just like all my friends are all like from different parts of the world, and it's so cool like learning the different cultures and like, yeah, it's great.
I have a better appreciation for how other people live around the world. I'm more sensitive to world events, and it's just very interesting getting different ideas and seeing different past and different cultures.
My school is really diversified, so you get to see different point of views and how people live, and it's cool because you can trade opinions and share and talk.
We're definitely learning from each other. We get to learn about our backgrounds, like what did you have to go through, and experiencing their dances, their food all around us.
For instance, I'm from Africa, and my parents, they struggled to get here, really struggled, and so they brought their culture through us, and it's mixing in with the American culture, and so we're part American, part Ethiopian.
I think it gives me a better experience in high school, getting to know all sorts of different people, expanding my mind to things that I wouldn't necessarily think of otherwise. They help me see new ideas and new perspectives.
My friend group in particular is actually very diverse, and it impacts me in a good way because I get to see my friends from different countries, and I get to go to their birthday parties or their homes and see their different traditions and the lifestyle they carry.
So it helps me understand more people. It helps me understand where they're from, how they lived, and I think it's important for everyone to know.
My area is very diverse, and I'm thankful for that because I get to see different cultures and different people.
I think my generation thinks diversity is very important. Personally, my family comes from a long line of immigrants, and so do a lot of my friends. And because of that, we've been able to understand each other better, have a better perspective on life.
The older generation has seen more change so they notice the difference in diversity when our generation is kind of grown up with other people.
Not like past generations where it was just strict, and if anyone else was different you would like probably hate on them and were just like view yourself as better. But now it's like we're just getting to know everyone, and that's a good thing.
Like in the old days they were very separate, and now we've all gotten used to being diverse, so it's not really a big deal. Yes.
Older generations were definitely like more like closed. They didn't like support it as much. Now it's more like celebrated. Yeah, it's celebrated.
Thank you, Sally.
Thank you, Terrell.